here we start with the open intro dataset called textbooks. We have textbook data for UCLA Bookstore and Amazon. The variables are described for us. Our focus for this brief tutorial here is the UCLA new, is the new price at the UCLA Bookstore. We'll scroll down to the bottom. We see CSV file. We'll right click. We copy the link location. We go right into RStudio Cloud, and then it's going to be just a few clicks. So click on File, Import Dataset. From text R, from text read R, a menu comes up. Paste the link. Click on Update. Wait for it to do something. You see in the data preview, there's a preview there. So we can scroll down at the bottom and we can click import. Once we've succeeded in doing this, the data should load. It's called textbook. Nice. Okay. So I want to focus on just one of the variables. And so the variables I want is the Amazon. I said the UCLA. The UCLA new price. Okay. And a number of things can be done with the UCLA. We can get a summary with some statistics, some summary statistics, and we could also plot a histogram for it. By typing histogram X, hist X, and press enter. Here's a histogram, and we could make this slightly larger by making the window a bit larger. And this is the histogram which we could describe. Clearly, this is not symmetric. We see there's some skew positive on the right side. And we'd like to describe this data using a usual set of things. What's the center? What's the typical? What's the representative value? What are the unusual values that we can identify, whether using the one of the two rules that we have? What's the scatter? We want to mention variability, and what's the shape of our data? Okay, so this is how we could load a data set found on the internet through a file, a CSV file, into RStudio and work on it right away by focusing on a specific variable. That's it.